So we talk about what is the 9 pillars. These are the framework of 奇门遁甲. 九宫八卦阵, basically. You ever hear about 九宫八卦阵? Yeah. So basically, you want to learn 奇门遁甲, you must know basic 八字, you must know this thing. Flying star. Not say flying star, but the 洛书 and the arrangement of the trigrams, you need to know. So these are basic things you need to know. If you know that, then it's much easier. So just to recap, this is the 三奇. Yi Bing Ding, always the good guy. Auspicious stamps to protect the jia against the enemy. Simple as that. And of course, this is another important set of info you need to know. This is called the 六仪, or in English you can call it the 6 representative. And how is this derived? Okay, you see, if you study 八字, you know the 空王, this table. This is called the 旬, 六旬. You see, we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know when we study 八字, our 空王is to look for which one is your day pillar. So if your day pillar is 丁亥, for example, then your 空王 is what? 五, after 师五位, 五位 is your 空王. So if you know, if you study 八字 before, you probably know about this 60架子. Okay. So this is 1, there are 6 columns, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and each column is headed by what I call platoon commander. Okay, so this is what we call the 甲子旬, 甲戌旬, 甲申, 甲午, 甲辰, 甲寅. Okay, they are also known as 戊, 甲子戊, 甲戌己, 甲申庚, 甲午辛, 甲辰壬, 甲寅癸. Fixed one. Okay, so this one you need to, in a way, memorize this thing. Go back. 六旬. You need to know that under the 甲子, this guy 甲子 is given another name called 甲子戊. 甲戌 is governed by this guy called 己. Likewise for the rest. Okay? So this is what I call the 六仪. So 六仪 is important. So I'm now trying to introduce the various components. Then later on we put them all together to see the big picture. So now I just introduce component by component. Okay? So first component is, you know that there are 3 mystics. Okay, then the rest is, we know Jia, Yi, Bing, Ding, these are all very auspicious stamps. Then what about the rest? The rest are 戊己庚辛壬癸. Okay, especially, usually, just take it as, from here onward, 戊己庚辛壬癸, all these stamps are inauspicious. Unless I tell you when they are auspicious. If not, generally, in 奇门遁甲, they are regarded as inauspicious stamp. And which two are the worst? This is the worst, right?庚and followed by Xin. Okay.
甲申 is bad.
In terms of stamps, okay, 甲申庚, yes. 甲午辛, this one.庚and Xin. This means what? Maybe I just go to the software. So easier for you to appreciate. So let's look at the timing right now. We are this hour today. Okay. So basically it's, well, there are a lot of things to look at. Okay. But usually you look at this first. The top left corner, please zoom into this one first. The rest don't care, later we'll come to it. Okay? Center we don't care. So these are the 8 directions. So, which is good? We want to go this direction. In terms of stamp first, Bing is good. Where else? Ding is good. Yi is good. So the rest, like Geng is okay. Geng is stuck in the middle, so we anyway, then it becomes useless. I can't use. So the rest, Kui, Wu, Ji, 任心. Please do not use this direction. And that's what I'm trying to say. 齐啊，齐 we're going to see the good 齐. So when we say 齐 就是一平定. Okay? Then of course the best is plus the door is auspicious door. Both of them co-locate at the same sector. Go. Well, that's where you have 奇门 come and support you already.